Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're with the Vendetta boss, the Vendetta G, Alkaline himself with In This World. Yeah, man, In This World. Produced by DJ Frost. DJ Frost, big up your fucking 7G. Yeah. But I have a problem, though. Look here. That song I put up 4 years ago, on it only have 8.8K views. What go on here, so? I don't understand this. I don't understand what go on here, so. This don't look right to me. 141 likes with 3. Nah, man, there must be another one. In This World, see it here. Akam, 10 years ago, 40. In This World, DJ Frost. Okay. The main one was put up on DJ Frost's page. Okay. All right, DJ Frost, let's see what you do. All right, can I hear a song? All right. So let's jump in on here with the G after 7, man. Let's go, man.
Just bad mind and invalid in the place where me grow. In this world.
Quick. The man speak it into existence. Watch out. Listen what I'm saying. Listen what the G said on that one, dog. Give me this in the comment section. Give me this. Listen what I'm saying.
In this world, nothing dumb, blood clot pretend. Make me get me visa, dog, you know see me. Nothing no day, so just bad mind and invalid. In the place where me grow.
Hold on. Man say, make me get me visa, dog. You're not gonna see me after me get me visa, you know. In the place where me grow up, you know, pretty. I be a bad man and iniquity down there. What the man do? Man cut out, brother. The man leave Jamaica. I'm not blame him. Yeah.
Make me get me visa, dog. You see me. Nothing no day, so just bad mind and invalid. In the place where me grow.
Say it again.
In this world where we call JAMAICA'S.
Yeah.
You never link you dead in a Babylon. Crab in a barrel fi tell you how down your sultan. In a place where black man fight against black man. Need something good. Things could have way better. Give me little encouragement, for me make a little change, help me no better. Need
One Alkaline, yeah. Listen what the G said, man.
dog, you know see me. Nothing no day, so just bad mind and invalid.
In the place where me go.
In this world where you call JAMAICA'S. You never link you dead in a Babylon.
Yo, I true, you know. If you never link you dead in prison, if you never link you dead in a Babylon, I links run everything. I know what you know, who you know in a Jamaica. Me tell you that rascal out there.
Where we call JAMAICA'S. You never link you dead in a Babylon. Crab in a barrel, if you tell you how down your sultan. In a place where black man fight against black man.
Yeah.
Something.
True. Crab in a barrel, if you tell you how down your sultan. A place where black man fight against black man. Them not fight against the Indian man who have the furniture store downtown, you know. Them not fight against the Chinese man who have the Chinese shop round there, so, you know. And you them a fight where have your little stall right here, so. I hear a stall them a walk past, we have the fresh vegetable and go around there so go buy for not supermarket. True.
Where we call JAMAICA'S. You never link you dead in a
Babylon.
Crab in a barrel fi tell you how
But I'm a sultan.
A place to black man against black man. Something good.
Tell him.
Things could have way better. Give me little encouragement. Fi me make a little change. Help me no break.
Help me up here.
Need something good. And I need something better. In a them ya time ya me grudge the rat for the cheddar.
Man say, in a them time, yeah, him grudge the rat for the cheddar, got the rat for the cheese, for the moolah, for the bang bang, for the money.
In a them ya time, yeah, me grudge the rat for the cheddar. God know, it's like coats start sell concrete and cardboard box damn cheap.
What
Me
on?
no see no better buy again, I be a booby now, don't panic, cold growing at the damn street.
Man say, he must see no better buy again, brother. I'll be a juvenile, I'll be a juvenile, I'll be a young youth. I dead out on the street, I'll be a young youth. Lead down on the cold street. I walk what?
See no better buy again, I be a booby now, don't panic, cold growing at the damn street. Me a fi ball anytime when me see them, ya ting, ya wonder how government sleep. God know me not too kissy, but when me see them ting, ya me a fi kiss me teeth.
Me have to wonder how the government them live with this. How the government them even guard them bed go sleep at night time and know say people out there start suffer. Innocent are dead. People are suffer. Can't find food to eat. Man are sleeping on the street. Wagwan. Me not too kissy, but for the one when me see them thing here, when me vex me, I feel kiss me teeth, brother.
I know me not too kissy, but when me see them ting, ya me a fi kiss me teeth. Watch and stand ya. No get a youths, them a dead in a road. Manta blood, me see shed in a road. Trim off me head, car time dread in a road. These streets ready in a road. No get a youths, them a dead and no lie. Can't tell when last me see some tears of joy. Me only see tears shed over people who die. Life fine, but mine still shine.
We only see tears of no. Him couldn't tell when last him see some tears of joy. Him only see tears when people dead and people are crying for them. You not see nobody are getting married and somebody happy for them and them them are shed no tears of joy. No. You not see nobody win a big piece of food and shed some tears. Make a serious accomplishment, reach a nice milestone in them life. And I shed some tears of joy. You know see that? I be a sadness, brother.
Me only see tears shed over people who die. Life fine, but mine still shine. But in this world, nothing done blood clot pretend. Make me get me visa, dog, you know see me. Nothing no day, so just bad mind and invalid.
In a the place where me grow.
In this world where we call Jamaica land, you never link you dead in a Babylon. Crab in a barrel, fi tell you how down your sultan. A place for black man fight against black man. My little brother no one turn police. Me say little youth, please don't wait. The way the system you corrupt on another level. Pass up it and you turn a yam.
Don't do it. Don't follow him right there, so. Same little brother want turn police. I might encourage him brother don't do it because the way the system shake up and fuck up, better him go turn a damn a thief him attack.
The system you corrupt on another level. Pass up it and you turn a yam. Don't joke when I make that go on a serious level. Them officer and you a criminal, you see it.
Yeah, him tell us that joke him a make, so him not encourage nobody to go turn thief. Him not encourage nobody to go turn crook, grabber, taker, no, whatever you want to call it. No. Be positive youth. That's the G point, you see me? But him have to say that part because the police them too corrupt and thief.
Don't joke when I make that go on a serious level. Them officer and you a criminal, you see it. One does a talk come out feel. Life mess up be real. Me a chat it exactly as me see it. Something good.
Him a talk it, I'm saying.
Things could have way better.
Give me
little encouragement, me make a little change, help me no break. I need something good, and I need something better. In a them ya time, ya me grudge the rat for the cheddar.
7th Heaven Rhythm. Yeah, man, big up DJ Frost. Alkaline in this world. Yeah, man. Vendetta boss. Vendetta fans, give me this in the comment section. Give me this, give me the V, give me the V. What one? In this world, no, everything, no. I don't want Frost take down my video cause I'm singing. Distributed by Zojak Worldwide. Big up yourself, Zojak. You know the thing go. What you guys think about this one though? Apparently I promised this one to someone in the comment section, so they message me and say, yo, where this song the way you say? Then drop a comment and say, yo, where this song the way you say you go react to? I'll not see it. I want. So see it, yeah. I'm sorry. There's so much going on right now. Being forgot what we promise people sometimes. Furthermore, promises are comfort to a fool. Big up as MG. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one though. Classic Alkaline song as usual. Vendetta people and big up on yourself. We're not happy. We're not get reaction. We're not happy. Be happy, man. Be happy. Don't worry. Alright, I'm out. Peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more binds, span them and do what? Def them.